Anami. God bless you all.
Today, we gather here with heavy hearts and tear-filled eyes to bid farewell to our fallen heroes, the brave men of the armed forces of Nigeria, who made the ultimate sacrifice in defense of our nation. We stand here in honor of their courage, dedication, and unwavering commitment to duty. Their lives were abruptly taken from us in the line of duty while on a peace mission at Okoma community in Delta State on 14 March 2023. We are gathered here not only to mourn their loss but also to celebrate their lives and extraordinary contribution to our beloved nation. We are gathered here today not only as grieving family members, friends, and colleagues, but also as a nation united in sorrow. These fallen heroes exemplify the very best of service to a nation and the love for country.